Hello, my loyal Canaanites. It is I, Patrick Canaan, full of glory and renown and sweat stains. It's 90 degrees out. I'm not doing the heat very well. And add that to me just being kind of in a funk for the past, who knows how long. You gotta do things to make you happy. Even if it's just a little small chunk of happiness. You know, be it ice cream on a hot day or a nice, delicious, juicy peach. Something like that. Whatever it takes to make you happy. So, since it was such a hot day, and I was out of town visiting the sister, I decided to try something that's kind of new. I was just informed that this existed just a couple of weeks ago, and I'm like, I have to have it. And by golly, I got my little chunk of happiness right here. Dairy Queen Peach Picnic Blizzard Treat. Now, everyone knows what's a blizzard. You know, the old trick of you turn it upside down. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Did I mention it's 90 degrees out and the Dairy Queen is like 20 miles away? I'm not turning it upside down. Trust me, when it was fresh, yeah, it wasn't budging. Now, it's a budging, but it's going to be budging right into my belly. So, hello, sweet happiness. Oh, this is going to be messy. If it wasn't on camera, I would lick the whipped cream out of this cup. Ain't gonna lie. Smells like a blizzard. I don't really smell the peach. Go Cardinals. They lost today. Go Royals. They lost today. So, I'm doing my little... go Orioles. They're doing pretty good. I like my Orioles. Yeah. Not Oreo Blizzard. Baltimore Oriole. Yeah, this is my bit of happiness. Anywho, I have a spoon. I have a Blizzard. Why wait? Oh, yeah, that's kind of melty. I'm not blaming Dairy Queen for this at all. I got Blizzard. I got Cobbler. I ain't got peach yet. More Cobbler. More Blizzard. Where's my peach? Ooh, there's a chunk. What kind of chunk are you? Are you a good, delicious, peachy chunk? I hope you are. I would really love a nice peachy chunk right about now. Nope, it's Cobbler. Whoop. A smaller attached chunk was peachy. A little bit of happy. Oh, peach. Delicious. I loves me some peach. I loves peach chunks and I cannot lie. You up? Sorry. Oh, there's more. There's more in there. Are you peachy? Are you peachy? This is not sponsored. Maybe it's the heat talking. Maybe it's the nice, delicious peach that's resting on my tongue right now. Oh my God. This is so good. This is so good I want to put my dick in it. No. This is so good I want it to put its dick in me. Oh my gosh. It's just so good. I think I might have got kicked off of YouTube on this one. I don't care. This is my happiness. This melted goo with chunks of sweet peaches. And yeah, cobbler too. But once you find the peaches, oh my gosh. Maybe you don't like peaches as well as I do. That's fine. You're an idiot and a communist. But that's completely up to you. You do you, and I'll do me repeatedly late at night with a peach cobbler blizzard. I'm just going to let that's just going to hang there. I'll mark this one not for kids. Why are kids watching my videos anyway? I don't know. Go away, you filthy regrets. Looks like I did the Hawk Tui thing. It disturbs people when I lick things. I don't know why. Completely natural. With something so irresistibly yummy. I'm just getting disturbing. Okay, so anyway, I might lose subscribers over this. I don't care. I got my blizzard. It's a milkshake now, but it's a blizzard. I almost had a disaster. You think a blizzard is a natural disaster? I almost had an even worse one. So I got me a blizzard, and because it was a 20-mile ride, it's like I need a drink. So I got my I actually got a wild cherry Pepsi from Dairy Queen. I didn't even realize they had that, but they do, and it's tasty. And they gave me a drink tray. It was so hot. And my blizzard and my wild cherry Pepsi sweated so much. Probably more than me. Well, doubt it. But it sweated so much. The drink tray, it sweated right through. When I picked this up, that was the side that was trying to hold my blizzard. That would have been a real natural disaster had I not noticed that it had soaked through. And the wild cherry Pepsi is, actually got more on the side for some reason. But, yeah. So, anyway. Thank you, Dairy Queen. You made my day. You made my week. You made me whole. You made me happy. And that's what it's all about, is making me happy. Big old chunk of cobbler. No peach, though. Sad. Not sponsored by Dairy Queen, but boy, if they were. Quick Dairy Queen story. And this was like, well, hate to date myself, but no one else will. So, about 30 years ago, me and my best friend from high school, we were all into getting custom-made blizzards. I don't know if they even do it anymore. I don't even try. But why should I? When the peach picnic cobbler blizzard is right here. Anywho, he came up with the idea of a blizzard of the apocalypse. Basically, it was an Oreo blizzard with chocolate covered cherries, and that was his blizzard of the apocalypse. I take that back. No, that was the blizzard of death. Mine was the blizzard of the apocalypse. Sorry, I misspoke. But boy, am I happy. Mine was the blizzard of the apocalypse. Go figure. Mine was the blizzard of death, his version with the chocolate covered cherry and Oreo. Only I took it that one step further, because that's the kind of guy I am. And that one step further, sorry. One step further, yeah, I'm talking with my mouth full, so what? The blizzard of the apocalypse. Chocolate covered cherry. Oreo. Chocolate ice cream. I went there. And we had those every summer for like the next 5 years. People at Dairy Queen hated us. If anyone from Dairy Queen sees this video, they'll hate me more. They're like, that's the guy. I don't care. Anywho, if you like blizzards, like Dairy Queen, if you like supporting your local sports team, go Cardinals. Go Royals. Go Orioles. And, okay, just because my ex-girlfriend now lives there, go Boston Red Sox. Shout out Gretch. Anywho, that's all I gotta say. I'm happy. I had my little burst of happiness. And it has peaches. I do love me some peaches. Go get yourself one while it's fresh before it melts. Because melted, it's still good though. I ain't complaining that it's melted. That's on me. Yeah, I should have just ate it there in the parking lot, but I don't want to be that kind of YouTuber. Like, hey, look at me, I'm eating in the parking lot. Are you homeless? Is that why you're an influencer? Not that there's anything wrong with being homeless. There's plenty wrong with being an influencer. Okay, so maybe I'm just jelly. Because I can't get enough people to follow me to become monetized. Well, monotonized. Whatever I'm trying to say. I'm just, leave me alone. It's been a rough couple of weeks. And that makes all the bad good. No, well, you know what I mean. Oh. Yeah, it's that good. I've got nothing else to say. Subscribe, hit the bell, get your notifications going. Be good to one another. Peace and love. The world's too divided. Be nice to one another. Don't argue. I know it's an election year and temperatures are rising and it's just hot and miserable now, but you're better than that. Be a good person. Stay good. Help out people when you can. And when things get bad, really bad, it may not solve every problem, but I guarantee you, getting a blizzard of your choice will definitely make things better. Even if it's just for like 20 minutes or so. Maybe that's all you need, just 20 minutes of goodness. And I'm definitely going to enjoy my 20 minutes of goodness. I'm not even going to put this in the freezer. I'm going to, once I shut this off, I'm going in the kitchen, getting a straw. I'm going to make this my milkshake. And I'll bring all the boys to the yard. And you know what? It's just that damn good to bring all the boys to the yard. Boys would be lucky to be getting this because there's peaches in there. Yes, there's more cobbler chunks than peaches. I don't care. There's still, yeah, that's a cobbler chunk. But there are peaches in there. You do get bits of peaches. And so, anyway. Yeah, that's all I can say. Not sponsored. Dairy Queen Peach Picnic Cobbler. I think I said that right. If not, oh well. Ask for the blizzard with the peaches. They'll probably figure it out. Or if you use the app, then you can just, under treats and blizzard treats, it'll be there. And it'll say the full name correctly. And you just push on that and say what size you want. This is a large. I'm quite happy with a large. Be good to one another. Peace and love. Take care. Comment, question authority. Chew bubblegum and run out of bubblegum. Do whatever it takes. Make the change the world needs today. I'm sweaty. I need a shower after my blizzard. Take care. Love you. Be good. Bye-bye. Find your happiness. You won't regret it.